as I said, I had a background in running, and I think there was a link here. The running caused the hip problem. So I used to do a lot of running. I used to do marathons, North Wales Marathon, Birmingham Marathon, Stoke-on-Trent Marathon. I completed 5 marathons, about 3 half marathons, and I had a background in athletics well into my 50s. I was running well. I had my last run with one of my daughters in 2006, and I felt uncomfortable and struggled. I didn't realise that was going to be my last run pre-operation, but that was it. I couldn't cope. I completed the run and she congratulated me, but I was in pain and I didn't feel well, and I thought, that is it. Goodbye to running. Initially, I had to admit I couldn't stand on one leg. That for me was the test. Can I stand on the, someone called it the bad leg, but it should be called the much better leg. I couldn't. I attended the physiotherapy class over a period of a month or 5 weeks, and that helped considerably strengthen the hip. And before I knew it, I could stand on one leg. Everything falls back into place slowly, gradually, almost without you realising it. Getting rid of the crutches, I can't give you a date. It happened. Getting rid of the walking stick, I can't tell you the date. It happened. I think I lost it somewhere, which is a lovely thing to do. So I attended physiotherapy classes. I went swimming. That helped as well. So in May, one of my daughters came home and said, "Look, Dad, come for a run." I said, "No, I can't. I've got a new hip. I can't go running." She said, "Just come for a mile. Half a mile that way and half a mile back." And I did, and it worked, and my hip was okay. The next one was in August, so we're looking at operation in December. I was running in May. 6 months. Within 6 months, not only could I stand on one leg, I could go running again, albeit not a long run. In August, my other daughter came home and said, "We've got to improve on the last one, Dad. Let's go for a run." And I did a 3-miler with my daughter. And since January, I run 3 miles every morning.